Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the Play It app is installed and updated. This prevents version mismatches. Next, log into your account and enable microphone and storage permissions so recordings and saves work. Once done, open the main menu and select the Easy Method or Quick Start mode. This sets simplified defaults. You will immediately see a guided overlay. Follow the prompts. Make sure your device volume and network are stable. These two items keep the session smooth. You now move into the middle steps where things get precise. First, pick a template or set the tempo, key, and difficulty. Templates speed up setup. Then record or load your content. Use auto-sync and one-touch edits to align clips quickly. Once aligned, adjust mix, effects, and timing with the visual sliders. They show real-time changes. As you tweak, listen through headphones and make incremental changes so you retain control and avoid overprocessing. You finish by exporting and securing the result. Choose the export format, quality, and destination, cloud or local, and then run a final preview to confirm timing and levels. Save a version backup before closing so you can revert if needed. If something goes wrong, first reset to the last saved state. If that fails, check app permissions and storage space. For persistent errors, restart the app and retry the export. That often clears transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.